Say hello to Lester. Lester is a 5-month-old domestic short hair Russian blue mix. He's got the gorgeous bicolor coat of blue and white and beautiful eyes. And our favorite feature is Mr. Lester's spotted nose. Say, I have a gorgeous spotted nose. Lester is gentle, loving, sweet, affectionate. He adores humans. He'd be excellent with kids. He's great with dogs. He's great with other cats. He's great with anybody and everybody and everything. Say, I'm super well-rounded. Yes, I am. And I have a purr that just can't be beat. It rattles and rocks and rolls. Yep. Lester's been in foster care since he was a baby. He was bottle fed as an infant because he came to us as an orphan. So that's why he's so social and sweet, as he was bottle fed, hand fed. So he's very used to human interaction, human touch. Lester is a good shoulder parrot. He loves to just perch on your shoulders and hang out with you. Yeah, he does. So he does. Lester is more than ready to go home to find his special human family. And we promise that you will never regret that choice, as he is one of our favorite babies ever.